Giving the 2006 Yamaha Banshee the V-Touch. Quick teardown inspection.
Alright, y'all, one thing I had noticed with this bike real quick though, y'all, is that his frame is cracked right here. Yeah, his frame, or am I tripping? Am I tripping or his frame cracked? Yeah, his frame definitely look cracked. That's crazy. Yeah, cause this side don't look like that. Yeah, so his frame cracked. Got spark plugs out, got the reeds snatched off it. His reeds still, they perfect. Yeah, his reeds perfect. His boot don't got no cracks. All right, in the bike, got perfect spark. The bike got perfect spark. So I already know the vibe, man. We're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, one thing I just noticed, got the copper is clean or whatever, is with his tube, you know, his tube that connects to the copper, to the boot, the reed boots. It's like somebody put JB Weld inside of it, y'all. That's crazy. It's like somebody put JB Weld inside of his tube. Yeah, that's crazy. If I can't get that out, you feel me, I'm gonna have to put another one on there. But it's like somebody definitely JB Welded that. Y'all already know the vibes though, man. All right, y'all, I got that trash out the tube, cleared out this tube, man. Y'all be careful who y'all take y'all bike to, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause boy, I never seen nothing like that, but y'all already know the vibes, man. All right, y'all, almost got that thing back together. You know what I'm saying? But there's one thing I noticed though, with his clutch is adjusted all the way out. And look how weak his clutch is. Yeah, his clutch is weak up here. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna have to take his clutch cover off real quick and adjust his clutch basket from the inside and make sure the ball bearing not welded. But y'all already know, man. Get it in gear cycles. As y'all can see, I got that thing back together. Got the clutch cover back on. Now y'all can see the clutch is nice and perfect. Not too tight or not too loose. Nice and perfect. And his front brake's not the best front brakes, so he can definitely use another master cylinder. But other than that, we're gonna see if we got that V-Touch. You know the vibe, man. The V-Touch, get it in gear cycle. South Florida vibe. GBO ready.